nuclear energy is essential to the progress of mankind, to the progress of our people. We need nuclear energy, we need nuclear knowledge and nuclear research in Pakistan, perhaps more than anywhere else. So the world must believe us when we say that we must prepare for the nuclear option. We must prepare for the nuclear option because we belong to the world in which we want technology, we want progress. Not for the purposes of war, but for the purposes of peace, but the option must be. It's an honorable decision, self-respecting decision. Decision commensurate with the largest Islamic country in the world, determined to restore its prestige and honor in the eyes of the world, and in the eyes of its own people. I have made this pledge to the people of Pakistan. As a Musliman I have made it, as a Pakistani I have made it, and as an Asian I make it, that we must redeem national honor no matter what the sacrifice. Professor Salam also, I've got very great respect for him. He's recognized the world over. If the world recognizes him, why shouldn't we recognize him? He's our man, he's our prophet. He will remain as advisor to the government. We need his advice.